Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Iqbal Zubair and I'm from international class and my last 3 digit is 089. And now I want to present my basic math project about direct proof and contrapositive. And now we start the present. First is direct proof. In a direct proof, we assume the antecedent is true, then use rules of inference, axioms, definitions, and/or previously proven theorems to show the consequence is true. And this is P then Q. Before we next to the example problem, we have to know the definition of even number and definition of odd number. First is definition of even number. Even number is an integer that is divisible by 2, and we can write it with 2k with k is integer. And next is definition of odd number. Odd number is an integer that when divided by 2 remains 1, and we can write it with 2k plus 1 with k is integer. And so we usually write an even number with 2k and write odd number with 2k plus 1. And next is the example problem. Prove the sum of two even integers is even. And if we add two even integers, then the sum is even. We can form that we add two even integers with p and the sum is even with q. Assume a and b are even integers. Then a equal to 2k for some k is an integers and b equal to 2m for some m is an integers. And then a plus b equal to 2k plus 2m, and it's equal to 2 times k plus m and 2r, where r is equal to k plus m and r is an integer. We change k plus m with r. Therefore, the sum of two even integers is even. With this proof, we know that this problem is true. And next, we move to contrapositive. Contrapositive is a type of indirect proof that makes use of the fact that P then Q is equivalent to its contrapositive, negation Q then negation P. So we assume negation Q is true, then work to prove negation P is true. And this is the example problem. Prove if n is an integer and 3n plus 2 is odd, then n is odd. Assume n is even, so n equal to 2x for some integer x, and 3n plus 2 equal to 3 times 2x plus 2. We change the n with 2x, so this is equal to 6x plus 2, and then 2 times 3x plus 1 and equal to 2y. We change 3x plus 1 with y, where y is equal to 3x plus 1. This shows that 3n plus 2 is even, since negation Q then negation P is true, and P then Q is true. If n is an integer and 3n plus 2 is odd, then n is odd. Okay, that's all from me, and I want to apologize to Miss Tetalia because I'm late to do the project, and I'm so sorry, ma'am. That's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.